Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for beginners men. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall. Inhale, arms up. And exhale forward for hinge on your hips. And stay here. Make sure to keep your feet open about your hip distance. And slightly bend your knees. And relax there. Let's hug your elbows together. Slightly sway your head to the side. And breathe in through the nose. Out through the nose. And relax your neck. Try to pull your shoulders away from your ears. A little bit. And tailbone pointing to the sky. And feel the stretch on your lower back. The weight of skull. Gonna do the spine stretch, back stretch. And release your hands and bend your knee and step back to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And if your ankle and knee ankle is too tight, it's really hard to bring your heels down, right? It is okay to keep your heels up and knees bent. It doesn't have to be completely down and straight. Okay? And a little bit pedal your feet. One heel up and the other down to relax calf muscle. And also relax knee, ankle joints, and as well as stretch your hamstring. And slowly bring your heels closer to the mat. Inhale, exhale. 10 toes pressing down, 10 fingers pressing down. Heels close to the mat. Tailbone high up to the sky. Belly button squeeze to the spine. Shoulders away from ears. Gaze drishti between your heels. And inhale, right leg swing up. And step between. And back knee down, back toes flat down. And from here, lower lunge pose, hands on your knees. And inhale, exhale, slowly bring your hips forward. Try to feel stretch on the psoas, hip flexor muscles. Keep your hips square, relax your shoulders. And as you exhale, try to bring your hips forward. After 5 breaths, plant your hands and bring front leg back. Take a downward facing dog. And inhale, opposite leg up. And step between. between your hands. And back knee down, back toes straight. Inhale, square hips, hands on your knee. Inhale, exhale, slowly bring your hips forward to stretch psoas. Drop your shoulders down, crown, reaching to the sky. Shoulder blades together, lift up your sternum. Try to feel, stretch the hip flexor muscle here. And try to breathe, inhale through the nose. And exhale, relax into this pose. After 5 deep breathing, plant your hands and from leg back. And from here, downward. And this time, again, right leg up and step between hands. This time, back heel up, square hips. So lunge, crescent lunge pose. Square hips, back heel pressing against invisible wall. And hands on your hips. Drop your shoulders down. And try to feel the stretch on the psoas and quadricep. And glute squeeze to the midline. Back heel pressing out. After 5 breaths, release. Just simply turn opposite side. Inhale, exhale, back heel up. Square hips, hands on your hips. And back heel, imagine pressing against invisible wall and psoas really expand. Shoulder blades together, sternum lifting up, widen your collarbones. Now, release. Okay, now change back. This time, back heel down and again square hips. Inhale, exhale, bend front knee and press the outer edge of back foot and heel down. And keep your hands on your hips. Take a 5 deep breath. Now release. Now bring back leg together. From here, inhale, squeeze your knee together and sit, chair pose, and bring your arms up. And inhale, exhale, here 5 breaths. Reach the fingertips out, keep your shoulders away from ears. Support your weight with your heels, slightly lift up your toes if you can. Squeeze your knee together. And now release. Now this is the opposite side. Right leg back and back heel down. Outer edge of back foot pressing down. And inhale, exhale, front knee bend. And drop your shoulders down, widen your collarbones, look straight. Try to feel stretch on the front of your thighs. And after 5 deep breaths, palms down and front leg back. And toes touch, knees open about your hip, about your mat distance. Sit on your heels. Reach your fingertips forward. Inhale, exhale. Forehead down on the mat. Take a child pose. This sequence is designed for beginners men, but women can partake as well. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!